What is going on, guys? Cody and Nora for SkullEnvy.com. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Today we're going to be talking about a staple keto breakfast. Now I got the ingredients out here, really simple, something you can make quick and easy. You can either meal prep it or you can make it fresh to have a delicious meal throughout the day. So we're going to go ahead and dive into this right now. So for this keto breakfast, we've got 3 eggs, we've got 1 avocado, we've got some pink Himalayan salt, that's a great option. We've got some bacon, some mozzarella, but you can pick the cheese of your choice. The one thing when picking cheese, just make sure they don't have a whole bunch of extra carbs and sugars. For example, this one has less than 1 gram of carbs and no sugar. And then we've also got some ghee. So you can use butter, grass-fed butter for your eggs, but we're actually going to use ghee. You can pick this up at Trader Joe's, so this is another really good option. Let's go ahead and get started.
First, what I like to do is heat up the pans on the stovetop. It's a great start to any cooking. Now we're going to crack the eggs into the bowl, which is always nice because, especially with scrambled eggs, because you don't want like the big white chunks. A lot of people don't like that. So we're going to put the eggs in the bowl. We're going to crack them and put them in the bowl. There you go. A little harder. Woo! There you go. Didn't go too well. Next, we are going to let our ghee heat up in the pan. And it's going to be 1 teaspoon. Is enough for 3 eggs. Perfect amount. The oil is heated up. We are going to put in the 3 eggs. And then while that's starting to cook, we are going to put our bacon in. I'm going to do 4 bacon today. And this is sugar-free bacon, completely natural. Now the eggs are done. They have like a little golden brown to them and there's no wetness, is how you can tell that they're done. So the eggs are done. Now we're just gonna plate them up. Nothing too fancy, huh? And the bacon. You always want to use the glove on cast iron because cast iron does heat up the entire thing thoroughly. I'm going to cut my avocado and I'm just going to cut it lengthways all the way around the seed without cutting myself. There's 1/2, tiny little seed in this guy. And then we are going to put our cheese on our eggs.
Alright guys, so there you have it. We have an amazing keto-friendly breakfast that you guys can make in literally less than 10 minutes. This thing is delicious. Just eat it on up. And it's a great option. So any questions you guys have, leave them down below in the comments. For more recipes, go to SkullEnvy.com, link in the description. Have an amazing day, guys. The key is keep this stuff simple, have fun with it, be excited about it, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.